Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. Today we are discussing 4 low-cost business ideas which you can start easily and boost your earnings. The first low-cost business idea in today's list is makeup artist. It is very simple and pretty cool the type of art in which cosmetics things are used. A makeup artist is someone who uses cosmetic techniques and processes to create beauty in the human body. In its simplest form, it enhances a person's appearance, bringing out color and features and hiding or smoothing out flaws using cosmetic products. Work in the salon industry is relatively stable. Makeup artists also get attractive jobs in events like fashion shows, weddings, and social gatherings. Good makeup artists are highly sought during these occasions. If we estimated the earnings of makeup art according to surveys, the average makeup artist's salary in the USA is $39,000 per year or $20 per hour. Entry-level positions start at $31,200 per year, while most experienced workers make up to $68,250 per year. The next low-cost business idea on the list is selling handmade goods. Handmade is an item made by hand or by a hand process. It was first used in the early 17th century. Other definitions include the aspect of craftsmanship and imply that a handmade item is typical of higher quality than one mass-produced by a machine. There is a huge demand for handmade and craft goods all over the world, so both the hobbyist and the business pro can capitalize on the various things that people can make and sell. These involved in handmade goods like beauty as beauty products, clothing, ceramics, and jewelry, etc. You can sell handmade online via your own store built with a platform like Shopify, on third-party marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, with niche sites like Etsy and Big Cartel, and on social media sites like Instagram and Facebook. You can also sell handmade items wholesale to other businesses. Here are some profitable handmade items. The jewelry industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Everyone hangs some form of art in their home, so it's an industry people spend money on. You can earn by handmade goods an average of nearly $1,000 in revenue per month. Now move on to the third one, online teaching, which is the more popular in the whole world. Online teaching and learning is faculty-delivered instruction through the internet. Online instruction includes real-time, synchronous, and anytime, anywhere, asynchronous interactions. Online learning has the benefit of allowing instructors to focus on individual interactions with students. The instructor acts like a party planner, working beforehand to organize an engaging learning experience for students and opening up more time during the course for direct interaction. You can use many platforms for online teaching, like as Kahoot, Google Meet, Google Classroom, and Animoto. By teaching online and selling your online course, you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month by this method of teaching. The fourth and the last one is virtual assistant. First, you should know about the working of a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a remote employee who offers administrative support for you and your business, usually part-time. They can do tasks that an executive assistant would typically handle, such as scheduling appointments, making phone calls, arranging travel, or organizing emails. To become a virtual assistant, you need to take training courses. You've got to prepare for working as a VA and running your online business or any of company. At last, the average earnings of the virtual assistant is $20.88 per hour. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon to get the notification of videos.